What's up, goodies? Welcome back to your girl channel and to my kitchen, how to cook. And today I wanted to make you a very simple recipe, fast, easy and simple corn soup recipe in the kitchen any day of the week. And it's really delicious. Just make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the post notification because it's critical to turn it on. The video will go flat if you don't, the channel will go flat if you don't, and your girl don't want to go flat, so make sure say you're subscribed and that you're in fact thumbsing up these videos. Okay, now you're gonna love this one. I'm happy to bring you this one. Just be sure that you tell a friend to tell a friend. You already don't know how much my love or not, or I always know how much I appreciate or not. So just go ahead and big up on yourself and check out the recipe. Had the recipe turn up. Let's go.
Hypocrite and bad mind must flow. The same mouth would cheer for you, and the same one them would turn round and boo. Yeah, prayer me I use and win. Prayer me I use and win.
Okay, goodies, let's turn up this corn soup recipe in the kitchen. Fast, easy, and simple. Now, the first thing you want to do in your pan, you're going to add 1 stick of butter. Okay, 1 stick of, I use unsalted butter here. But of course, you could use whatever butter that you have in your kitchen will work. Now, to the butter, you want to add some garlic. And I did add about 2 tablespoons of the chopped garlic. If you're using garlic cloves, use about 4 garlic cloves here. All right? Just be sure to add it in. Now, use a flat pot or something, because my pot when we use is my Dutchie. And because I have a flat stove, it kept spinning. All right, but I'm a Dutch me use. Don't pay the pot no mind, because the pot was driving me crazy. All over the place it was, but you know, pot. Anyway, let's get back into the recipe. Yeah, so don't pay the pot no mind. Now, after the butter and the garlic combines, you want to go in and add some ginger. Fresh ginger is preferred, but if you don't have fresh ginger, go ahead and use ginger powder. Going to work just fine here. Now, after you've had those 3, I'm using rice flour here. Of course, you could use any other flour of choice, but I prefer to use rice flour here because I have a vegan friend that's here and she's going to be drinking this soup. So yeah, we're going to use rice flour for the recipe, right? So we're going to go ahead and just mix the rice flour in. We're going to allow this to cook. You want the flour to cook. No matter what kind of flour you decide to use for this recipe, you want to be sure that the flour is cooked before you do anything else to it. I'll say maybe about a minute or so. You go in and add your stock. I'm using homemade veggie stock here, okay? Now, if you're not vegan, then you could always add chicken stock, beef stock, or whatever, okay? But I'm using homemade veggie stock right here for the recipe. Now, what you want to do after that is combine all of that together and get the lumps out. If you don't do that step, you're going to have lumps in the porridge and you don't want it to be lumpy. So try to get as much of the lumps out here before you move on to your next step. All right, critical. And good to be sure again that you're thumbsing up the videos, y'all, because my channel I fall apart because on the non-thumbs up the videos. We're not asking the recipe then, but on the non-thumbs it up. Thumbs up the video. Now you want to add your onion and bell peppers. I'm using green and red here. The next thing you're going to do is add some cream of corn, okay? You add that to it. I'm using 1 can of that. And then I'm adding some sweet kernel corn. So you're going to use 2 different kinds of corns for the recipe, okay? And just add it into the rest of your mixture here. And that's it. But before you move any further here, you want to make sure that this soup has flavor. So you're going to add salt and pepper, all-purpose seasoning, if that's what you want to add. Onion and garlic powder for sure. I did use some combo season because I love combo season. So I added some combo season to it to give it flavor. I added a little bit of black pepper, whatever kind of a season that you want to add to the soup, you could go ahead and add it in to give it the flavor to suit your taste buds. But yeah, let's say I added half a teaspoon. No, I added 1 teaspoon, y'all, of all the seasons here. And of course, go ahead and taste it up and give it your desired flavors that you like or substitute out the seasonings that I use here, okay? Make it your own. But that was it. That is all it takes to make this soup. I did allow it to cook for another like maybe 8 minutes or so on medium heat, y'all. You cover it up and you make it nice, come nice and bubbly and ready up and thick up and nice up, and the soup was ready. It was ready. It was ready. That's how quick it is. Look at that. Easy, fast, easy and simple corn soup recipe in the kitchen. Fast, easy and simple. Let me tell you something. This thing is so good. My husband is not a fan of corn like that, and he really enjoyed this corn soup recipe. Give it a try, y'all. To make it fancy, all I did after I added the soup into the bowl was just add a little bit of parsley on top of it, just to make it look pretty and stuff for you guys, but nothing fussy and fancy. I did add parsley. You could add any other greenery that you like, and that's it. All done. All done. That's the recipe, y'all. I hope you did enjoy this one. Don't forget to thumbs it up. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Tell a neighbor. Tell the man up the street. All right? Go ahead and do that goodie. After you get done doing that, tell me where you want to see me cook next in my kitchen. And remember, as always, from my kitchen to your kitchen. Enjoy.